Hi there, Billy D, CustomFloatingShelves.com. Folks ask about mitered corner shelves. Yes, we make them. Here's one in Rift White Oak. Now we make them up to 32 inches by 32 inches in any dimension, in this direction. Any bigger than that is kind of a trick to get it into a box or a pallet and ship it. So for bigger ones, we'll put two together. I'll get to that in a minute. Mitered shelves, they fit onto an angled bracket, so there is a limitation. If one end butts into a wall or a cabinet, let's say if there's a wall here or a cabinet there, well, it's not going to work. Or you have to take the cabinet down. If there's a wall next to it, there's no way for this thing to just slip on. It is, really nice seam that we do in the shop, and it's very, very secure. If it's any bigger than 32, what we do is we'll put two shelves together. Okay, so I just screwed that on. Now let's back up and see what is done previously. We got our steel bracket on the wall and the wood cleat from the end. This wood cleat, it goes into the end of this shelf. Now this thing fits over that. And then the attachment becomes the means of attachment for the second shelf. So this bracket and then this thing fits over that. That's how they go together. And so, these we make them up to 93 inches in both directions. Okay, so in real life you'll have maybe one L that's longer than the other. Maybe this one will go 6 feet or something, and then this one will only be, let's say, 2 feet. So I always recommend, if there's a short and a long, make the short one run all the way into the corner. The reason why is because it's going to probably have more studs. Here, there's a stud right there. So let's say if this was only about this big and that part's not there, you're gonna be able to attach it to the corner, and you have one stud. So that's going to be pretty secure. And then your longer one is going to cross a bunch of studs naturally, so you're going to have good support. If you did it the other way around and you ran the long one into the corner, well, this one's only going to be supported by the one stud and then attaching to this, which it can work, but attaching to one stud in the corner, I think, works better. Then you have an outside corner, which is a lot less common detail. We don't have an outside corner wall handy, but we have this mock-up. Wraps around an outside corner. The steel bracket is very similar to the one with the other mitered corner that attaches to your wall. And then we assemble the miter in the shop. It's a really nice, tight, lovely joint, and that fits onto the bracket diagonally. That's about it for today. Thanks for watching. Visit us on CustomFloatingShelves.com.